So I got a little bit of movement in the little tertiary valley to the left.
And there's movement up there?
There's 3 dudes. They hit the vehicle. Why?
Huh. So you're a good luck charm.
Whoa! Son of a bitch! It shot right through us.
Run to that everything you shot.
Yeah, it's the disc around.
Want to get right next to you.
Yeah, still warm. Still warm.
We got a bunch of these that we were just shot at by the enemy from that hillside. This is a disc around, a little over 12 millimeter diameter round, very deadly when it hits you.
Let's get it out! Get it out the fire!
Come on, Gunner, you gotta be quicker than that. Get that bitch hot.
And then watch me. Hey, I'll either go up, left, right, or back.
Up higher.
Fire away.
Low!
Oh, nice. Good shot.
One person is injured now. One person's injured.
One person injured.
He's okay, but his legs hurt.
Okay.
They're reporting everything's okay right now.
Good. It's not gonna be okay. It's about to hit him.
Above that side rock face, over.
Roger that. I need you to go to the left of that. There's a wreck drill on the left side of that. Give me 3 shots right there for right now, so we're gonna walk you right on there.
Yeah, good hit.
That'll teach me to shoot at my soldiers.
Hey, let's get another target worked up.
Dude 07, Dark Knight 4-2. Good bombs, good bombs.
False bravado. For a while, they're moving in position. They don't think we can harm them. They just haven't fought us yet.
How close were those bullets coming to you? You were close enough to hear the